So this is level 1 disc mover challenge. Level 1 says, using the electric magnet, pick up and place 3 discs of any color into any colored goals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just pick up all 3 the same, because I think that'll be easier, and it doesn't specify that it just says I have to pick up 3 discs of any color. So let's go over to the VEXcode VR. So the first thing I want to do is I always like doing we don't need the drive, actually I do need the drive velocity. I don't need the turn velocity today. So I'm going to set that to 100% to speed things up. And then I'm going to go to my variables. I've already created a variable, plenty that I can use, but if you were to create a variable, choose make a variable, give it a name, and then hit submit, and then it'll pop up right over here. But I'm going to set my distance to, I believe it's right around 750, okay? Because I'm going to pick this first one up. Then I'm going to use a repeat, and I'm going to repeat this 3 times. I'm going to go to my drivetrain, and I'm going to go to drive forward. Then I'm going to go to my variables. Use the distance because right now it's set at 750. Okay. I'm going to choose stop driving. You don't necessarily have to do that, I don't think. But I'm going to stop the driving right when it gets over the magnet. I'm going to energize the magnet, turn it on, boost it. Then I'm going to drive backwards, put it in reverse. Again, use my variables. And then I'm going to, that'll bring me back. I'm going to hit stop driving. And then I'm going to turn my magnet off. Let me go ahead and hit drop. The next thing we do, so what we just did was, let me hit play, I'll show you. So we picked it up and we dropped it. The problem is now we've got to actually increase everything in order for us to pick up the second magnet and the third disc. We've got to increase everything by 400 because each one of these blocks right here is worth 200. So I'm going to come over here to my variables and go to change distance by 400, and that should do the trick. All right, there's the first one, dropped off. There's the second one, dropped off. Now it's going to increase it by another 400, and that should be it. So that is level 1 of disc mover challenge. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.